Hello kids, are you ready for a fun number adventure? Let's learn all the numbers from 1 to 20 together. It's going to be so much fun. Let's start with our very first number. Look, this is the number 1. Can you say 1? Let's count together. 1, here is one shiny red ball. 1 ball. That's the number 1. Next up is the number 2. Say it with me, 2. Let's count these green balls. 1, 2 bouncy green balls. Great job. This is the number 2. And here comes the number 3. Can you say 3? Awesome. Let's count the yellow balls. 1, 2, 3. 3 bright yellow balls, just like the sun. That's the number 3. What's next? It's the number 4. Say it loud, 4. Let's count these pretty blue balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beautiful blue balls. You're doing great. This is the number 4. Now for the number 5. Can you show me 5 fingers? Let's say 5. Let's count the orange balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 yummy orange balls. That's the number 5. We're halfway to 10. Here comes the number 6. Let's say it together, 6. Time to count the purple balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lovely purple balls. This is the number 6. After 6 comes the number 7. Say it with me, 7. Let's count all these pink balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pretty pink balls. You're a counting star. That's the number 7. What's this number? It's the number 8. Can you say 8? Let's count the brown balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chocolate brown balls. This is the number 8. Look, it's the number 9. Let's all say 9. Now, let's count these cool gray balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sleek gray balls. This is the number 9. Wow, we made it to the number 10. Can you shout 10? 10. Let's count all the rainbow balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 colorful rainbow balls. You've learned 10 numbers. High five. But wait, there's more. What comes after 10? It's the number 11. Let's say 11. It's like a 10 and a 1. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 amazing balls. This is the number 11. And after 11 is the number 12. Can you say 12? Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 wonderful balls. You're so smart. That's the number 12. Next, we have the number 13. Let's say it together, 13. Let's get counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 fantastic balls. This is the number 13. Here comes the number 14. Can you say 14? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 super balls. Great job. This is the number 14. And now the number 15. Let's say 15. Are you ready to count? Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 dazzling balls. That's the number 15. Moving on to the number 16. Say it with me, 16. Let's count these shiny balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 brilliant balls. This is the number 16. What's after 16? It's the number 17. Let's say 17. Time to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 magical balls. This is the number 17. Our next number is 18. Can you say 18? Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 sparkling balls. This is the number 18. We're almost there. Here is the number 19. Let's say 19. Let's do our final big count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 awesome balls. This is the number 19. And finally, our last number for today. The number 20. Can you shout 20, 20? Let's count to 20 one last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 incredible balls. You did it. You counted all the way to 20. Now for a quick, fun quiz. Let's see what you remember. What number is this? Look closely. ... Yes. It's the number 7. You got it. Okay, next one. What number is this? It has a 1 and a 5. That's right. It's 15. You're a number genius. One more. What is this easy one? It's the number 2. Fantastic. You were all so amazing today. You learned every number from 1 all the way to 20. Pat yourself on the back. Thank you for counting with me. Remember to subscribe for more fun learning adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.